to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a fun kind of festival glittery makeup look. In Australia we're going into summer, so our festival season is starting here, and I know it's kind of ending everywhere else in the world, but who doesn't love to see a glitter makeup look any time of the year? So I hope you guys enjoy, and today I'm going to be using glitters and face jewels from In Your Dreams Cosmetics. I'm super excited to have a play, so hope you guys enjoy, and let's get straight into the video. We're going to start with the eyes first. I have already primed and done my brows, so we can get straight into the makeup. Okay, so the first colour, we're going to start off with the transition colour. Going to go in with the colour Sora from Geek Cosmetics. And this is just going right in the crease. So this first colour can go pretty high in your socket, but I always start by anchoring it right in here, right in between the eye socket and under the brow bone, and then you can blend up. So we're just going to deepen up this crease colour here using Sidekick from Geek Cosmetics, and we're keeping this colour a little bit lower, so right in the socket. I'm not bringing it up higher, so I can create a bit of dimension to my socket. And I'm using a Designer Makeup Tools brush. It is called the Blending Fluff Brush, I think. This is really soft. I think this is a Morphe brush. Just to blend. Going back in with that first colour, Sora, and applying it a little bit higher up on this eye. Okay, that's it. We're just using 2 eyeshadows today. So now I'm going to do a very easy cut crease. Alright, so I was going to use Rose Gold Retro from this Stila Glitter and Glow Liquid Eyeshadow Glitters range, but it's looking a little bit dried out. I'm going to try it, but if it doesn't work, I'll go in with Kitten. They're both very similar. And I'm just going straight in with the wand, and we're going to go across my whole eyelid and kind of use the wand to create a cut crease. Oh, it's a bit dry. We're running out. No, I'm gonna have to buy some more. Gonna go in with Kitten. Very similar. I think it's just a bit more glittery actually. Yeah, oh, this one, it's a bit more gold rather than rose gold. But oh well. It'll do. I'll touch up on this side. So now I'm going to go in with Urban Decay Heavy Metal Liner in Midnight Cowboy, which is a gold glitter liner. And we're going to enhance our cut crease. The best thing about festival looks is that they don't have to be super neat. You can kind of make them a bit messy and it doesn't matter. So let's add a little bit of highlighter up here. For that I'm going to be using my sleek Solstice highlighting palette. Ooh. And I'm going to use the peachy shade here. Pop some in the inner corner. So what we're going to do now is go in with some liner and do some wings. You can make them big giant wings, or you can do little baby wings or no wings, whatever floats your boat. For liner, I'm going to go in with the Inglot Gel Liner in 77. Such a good creamy black eyeliner. Okay, we're gonna have to go in with a bit of concealer and tidy that up. And I like to put eyeliner like tight line, so it makes my liner look thicker, and then you can't see the skin underneath your lashes. Okay, let's do the other side. Oh, so nerve-wracking. So now I'm going to apply lashes, and today I'm going to be using the Obsidian lashes from BM Artist Lashes. So I'm just going to go off camera, apply, and I'll be back. Okay, lashes are on, so I'll do mascara and underneath in a second. Let's just do our face, so then we can do glitter. Ow, I just like bashed myself in there. To prime, I'm using the Mecca Cosmetica Illuminating Primer. For foundation, I'm going to go in with a Nars Natural Radiant Longwear foundation. This is in the shade Yukon 2.5. I'm using a sponge to apply. A little bit does go a long way with this foundation. So let's put a bit of concealer underneath. Just going in with a little bit of MAC Pro Longwear concealer. Just adding a tiny bit more coverage under the eyes. It smells like paint though. Does anyone else reckon? The MAC Pro Longwear smells like paint. Guess that means it's gonna stay on for ages. Let's just do our cheeks. So for bronzing contouring, I'm using the Benefit Hoola bronzer. I like to use a little brush to create the definition. Now I have dry skin, so you're probably wondering why I haven't powdered. That is why. If I was using like a really dewy foundation, I would just use a little bit translucent powder around my nose and under my eyes. And if it's going to a festival and it's really going to be really hot, I'd probably do a little bit of powder. Mostly setting spray though. I'm going to use a coral blush. So this shade here by Makeup Geek Cosmetics, and it is in the colour Bliss. So I'm using a corally shade because I've used warm tones on the eyes. So I just want to tie it in. Got these little gemstone things from In Your Dreams glitter company. This is the Waterfall style. I'm trying to figure out how these go. Like that, or like that. I think it goes like that, like down the cheeks. Wow. Okay. And then maybe I should have done my eyeshadow underneath first. Whoopsies. Calm down, Chloe. I'm gonna go in with some Sora. What we used in the crease before. We'll just work around where I placed. I want to add some glitter, so I'm going to go back here, add glitter on my brow bone, and I'm using the In Your Dreams Iridescent Angel. First of all, glitter glue. Using the NYX glitter glue, which I do like a lot, and apply that up here. Now please be careful when you're working with glitters around your eyes, guys. They are more of a face glitter rather than eyes, so that's why I'm putting them up here, but still just be careful with the fallout. Oh, this glitter. It is so beautiful. look, guys. Trying to catch the light. Oh, okay, there's a couple more gems here, so I'm going to stick these on my inner corner. These guys here. Now I'm going in with purple unicorn. Let's just add it like around here, all around here. Oh my goodness gracious me. I'm going to go back to the fairy glitter, Iridescent Angle, and I'm going to use it as really, oh, can you see it? Really teeny tiny glitter freckles. Might just add a little bit more up here. I'm so happy right now. Just going in with the YSL mascara. I'm going to use Limecrime Bleached. With a little bit of Limecrime Lulu over the top. Yes. Just added a couple of stars and random glitter bits up there. From the Silver Selene pot. Now I need some highlighter on my nose. Just going back in with the, what's it called? Solstice palette. I feel like we're pretty much done. Let's set our face. Going in with the Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray. Now there's one other product that I did get, and that, whoop, drop it. The new In Your Dreams highlighter. This is the glitter highlighter cream in Ultra Illusion. I did mean to put it on my brow, cheekbones, I forgot, but I also wanted to put it on my, up here. I don't know if it's going to show up or not. It's hard to see. Kind of put it all over my chest. And then I might put a little bit of glitter on there. Going back to the Iridescent Angel. So this glitter cream highlighters are great for obviously adding a bit of glow, but as a base for your glitters as well. I think I have to go pick up my car later from the mechanic. Hey, I made to pick up my car. Whoa. Okay, I had so much fun creating this look for you guys. I hope that you enjoy, and I just wanted to give a shout out to In Your Dreams for sending me a few glitters and the face jewels. I already had some of the glitters myself, but I didn't have the face jewels. So thank you so much for sending me these glitters. I love them, and I will be creating some more looks, so stay tuned and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Hope you enjoy, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!